What if I told you that just 40 squats a day could transform your legs, boost your metabolism, and even fix your posture? No weights, no excuses. I tried it for 30 days. Here's what happened. Squats are a full body exercise. They work your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core while improving joint mobility. Studies show squats increase testosterone and growth hormone naturally, critical for men over 40. Week 1, my legs were on fire. I needed chair support, but by week 3, I could do 40 straight with perfect form, and the results shocked me. Squats strengthen your entire posterior chain, reducing pressure on your spine. More muscle equals more calories burned all day, even at rest. Squats fix office hunches by engaging your core and back. Contrary to myth, squats protect knees by lubricating joints. Pushing through 40 reps builds discipline that carries into life. Avoid these mistakes. Knees caving in, push them out. Rounding back, keep chest proud. Can't do 40? Start with 10 and add 5 daily. Squats not your thing? Try these joint-friendly swaps. The goal, move your legs daily. Ready to take the challenge? Drop a leg in the comments if you're starting today. Like and subscribe for more no-fluff fitness fixes.